Let's play Redactle number 151 for Sunday, September 4th. The article title is 7-3-4, and this has a three-letter abbreviation or acronym. It is a 6-4-10 3 or 4 8 4, and so on. A 3 on a 10 3 is 8 6. Sounds like called. Okay. Called a 6 in 3 10. A3 is a 5 8, and then we have IE or EG. Okay, IE. And then we have some large number of units. Not sure what 7-letter units would be. And then from the something to the somethings 4. I have no idea what this is so far. Oh, that must be so many inches, I think, not in the preposition. So then centimeters, yes. Was about the average? No, but the size of a 3. So these are small things, it sounds like. 7, how about history? Yeah. Okay. 7 4 4 10. Maybe discovered by 6 7 and 6 7 7. Well, anything that might be discovered, you think maybe Einstein, let's try him. Oh no, Einstein is 8, so it's not going to be him, but let's put him in anyway. How about George? There is one George. How about a Thomas? No Thomases. Let's look at our George then. By 5 9, George. I wonder if that's scientist. No. I was thinking 5 might be a nationality. Maybe Irish. Let's try that. Oh, there we go. By Irish something, George, not Bernard Shaw. And what? Physicist, maybe? Yes, so Irish physicist George 9 6. Oh, I should know that. Know him. Was known as the 5 4 something by the French, German, German, in some year. It was a 4-7-5, a 12 of the 7-4 with a something something. Oh dear. And then we have in some year, in the not in the Times, yes, and the journal, of the Journal of the British, no, I think it must be published. Well, we do have published. Publish is too long anyway. And something in the Times and the Journal of the Oh, maybe American? No, we do have 3 Americans. Are they young Americans? Among the first? Okay, 27 firsts. From which? There are a lot of whiches. Ooh, it's a very long article. In the 673, okay, makeup, take up, made up, okay, percentage of the volume of 11.4 at 9.4. To less than, let's do more as well, and most, least, at the 3 of 4, to be less at the end. Oh, at the end of time? No. At the end of this, at the end of that. Okay. That are, was, had, has, having, let's do be and being. I should make my excuse now that I'm a little under the weather, and so if I don't solve this, that's going to be my excuse. As of some year, what's this section? 7.4, 8.4, or 5.4 for A3512. Okay. We have a bullet list here, 10 with 5.12. The 4 of A3, well, maybe a gas. No, there are 7 gases. Is atom mentioned? No. Atomic? Nope. The 4 of A3 is something made up of 5, 5, a 6/9/5, a 4/6, and a 4. The core? No. What is this 3-letter word? More percentages? Ooh, the size and something. The size of the 6 of a 3 is 8 in 2 ways. Not calculated or estimated, they're too long. Well, it's measured, I suppose. The size of the 6 are the 4, 8. size and weight. Yes. Is density then, if we're talking about size and weight, one density. The density of the 1-4, it's not an H-bomb, is it? No. That could be, that would be. Okay, let's do should as well. And might, and may, and can. Let's do not, and now. The density of the 1-4, that would be 9 by 3, is 3, because the 6-4 of a 7-3, 11, oh my goodness. Something above so many thousand miles or meter. What's that single character? I'm going to try some numbers first. 1, 2, 3. Let's try some letters. H, G, 3, G. Oh, they're going to be EGs, I think. Yep. Let's look at our 3s. Okay. Up to 3 some unit. Were made for loving you, baby. No, as the 3-1 and 11 and 10. Most of the weight of a 3 comes from the 5-5-6, which contains or includes of the something weight of a 3. Is this something in space? No, probably not. Let's go back up to the top. It is a 6, 4, 10, 3 are more commonly, we do have commonly called, or more something, not popularly, which we don't have, no, which something 8-5 that are 11 to 7, 6 on a 14-6. A 7-3. How about air? We do have 6 airs. It is not something in air. So it is exposed. Oh, we do have 6 exposed, which was then something in exposed. American something. The size varies or fluctuates, maybe. No, that's 10 letters. I'm going to go back to air, with air, not pressure, with air something, not exposure. The 844 from 8 air 9 inside the 3. Wow, that's something over time with the 7 of the 3 7. It always seems particularly frustrating when it's a short word, like a 3-letter word in this case. The 3 is something with air after the 4 4. Okay, let's keep going. Well, let's look at pressure. 4 pressures. I would have thought there would have been a PSI. The 6 inside of a 3, 6, 11 pressure causes something pressure to rise. Oh, well, how about PSI? No, in a 2-4 3 to reach. No, to something, a pressure of so many thousand bars. Is that the unit? No. Isobars. 2,000 something in 5. So there we have this 11 pressure. Ooh, into something of air or 5 gas. Is it inert? No. Or noble gas? No. Without 9 into 9 of air or something gas. Oh my goodness. This is a tough one. I think even if I was in the whole of my health, I would find this one difficult. Low pressure. Yeah. And how about high? Ooh, 50 highs. High end. Most high end 310 had something by around some year, including high end 4 and 975 in 5, and so in Europe, no, and the United States. What's 6 then? Africa, no, in France. What is that other? Oh, Canada, our neighbors to the north. The 4 and 10 of high-end 3-3. Wow. In the United Kingdom, 3 6, the 7, 8 of 8, 10, 9. So I'm wondering if this is some maybe legislation or rules. No, maybe not. Just going to take a flyer on carbon. 7 carbons into something and carbon dioxide. The 7 is made of 6, 5. That must be 9 by 7 to 6 it to 7 to combust. No combust. How about combustion? I'm wondering if this is something to do with engines. No. Engine. No. So maybe I've done air. Yes. Yeah, I have. Long ago, or it was right there. Carbon dioxide. Let's try hydrogen. 2 hydrogens. Was used. Hydrogen peroxide was used to 6 disinfect. The carbon that was put on it? No, that was on top of it. Sorry, I misread that. 7, 7 were used to 6 the 5, 6. Let's do some other common words. It's together, other, another. Oh, there's an another. Any, many. We've done most. People, are people mentioned at all? 3 people. Oh, high 975 22/224 used for 10/7 with 10/8 thing or something, some large numbers. 511 are at the 5 is one of those words limit? No. And are I was going to say synonymous to many people. However, some people 10/8 4/8 a high -7/4 near some people a high energy, high falutin, high. Oh my god, oh, but here we go. In the 8 core, yeah, I should have looked at my cores. The 5 is 3 to 16 in the 8 core and 8/8 of 8. But the 5 can then, no, he did then, can thus, oh, Can something be 7 by 8? Oh my goodness. This does not. Let's do did. Does not depend. Work. Oh my goodness. And then 5 at high something in 3. Have we done 1? I don't think I've done 1 yet, or only. Let's look at our other people. Some people 8 more have more money than sense. No. At low 7 5 2 2 and below. Feet? No. Miles, kilometers. The 8 8 the 7. More easily than others. So at low 7 5 point. The 8 8 of the 7 may something that some people not produce or digest or breathe, break down. 7 is commonly 10 with 3, as most 11 3 at 2 2. 8 5 are some blah 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 that are 7-4. Only low end 8 3 at 4 low. Temperature, should have done temperature earlier. No, it's not temperature there. Well, let's look at our temperatures. Since the 12 of 5 goes up with something temperature, not operating or ambient, the temperature of the 5, the Earth. No, but we do have some Earths we need to look at. The temperature of the something below the 4 is the 7 during the something of a new something. During the making? No, during the something. This is very tantalizing. Let's look at our other temperatures. The temperature of the 3 is something is brought to at a temperature higher than so many for up to that minutes. Okay. Hydrogen. Oh, in a tin can. No, in a something can. Oh, it's not that kind of can. So we're going to have to can the can. The something side of a 3 causes pressure to... Oh, we did higher. Could it be lower? Well, we do have 15 of those. Let's look at our Earth. The first 5, 2, 3 to be mass produced. Okay. Okay, and let's see. That had to be 6 to 7, the 11 at the something of the 3 in some year. 8, 4, Earth 9. I don't think that's planet Earth. Okay. Let's look at our other Earths. Oh, by the Earths. Not gravity. Orbit by the Earth's. Oh, maybe orbit. No, by the Earth's something, something. Maybe affected. Yeah, by the Earth's something layer. We do have 7 layers, causing it to 8.5, the 8.4 off dash 6 off by the Earth's. Let's do rotation. We do have 1 rotation. Before 10. 10 of 7, 5 rotation. 4. No. How about axis? 1 axis. Is it evil? Oh, off axis. But that causes the 8.4 to be moved to be something. I have no idea what we're talking about here. Do you? All right, let me go back to looking at my Earths affected by the Earth something. The 9 used in 4, 5, 7 for Earth something. Used in 4 or more something. Maybe more efficient. Oh, there we go. Oh, is it the rare earth? Yes, the rare earth chemicals. No, the rare earth elements. No, it's only 8. The rare earth. Let's try metals. Yeah, we have rare earth metals, and then what are the rare earth 9 used in 4 or more efficient? 7 more something. Let's look for our old friend energy. 23 energies. Okay, let's go back to looking at the Earths. So maybe affected by the Earth's something. Rare earth metals. Another rare earth 9. The Earth's 8.5. So that's restating, I think, what we saw above. may have an effect on the 5, 6. The power. Ooh, here we go. So we're talking about something that can be turned on, have a, what do you call that? When you have some new machinery and you have to let it warm up for a while. Not bleed in. Well, let's try it. No, what is that? Something in. Those. We've done these. Them. They. It's. Yeah, I did its. Self. But this is good. Those used in 10-4 most. 538. Computers is 9. But I'm wondering if it's some kind of CPU. Is a 10-4, which is 7. Upon power up. Well, let's try CPU now. Something out to something over a 6 of a 3, 7. Upon power up of the something engines. No. Modules. This low -5. Well, there were some other good words we got. Let's look at 310 over 3, lower something, power 11, and 410 up to lower volt, 1 volt. So a high 7, approximately something to something volt. 9 generator. No, we do have 1 generator. A 9-6 generator. Let's try watts. Wish I could be like. No, so we're talking about power. 6, 7 by 10. At high operating levels, maybe? No. No, we do have both though. Just seeing anything there that might help. A something of a large size, small size. A something, okay, no. So let's look at our operatings. Were invented? No, were something in some year. 5-4-3 are small units. Nope. that are something as 6 for large 5, 5, like 10. The first 6, 5 is 10, called 7, 6 by 10, 8. What is that? Have I done introduced? Ah, it was introduced by 10, 8. Is that a person? And on the previous line called 7, 6 by 10, 8. Is that a person or is it a company? Not General Electric, or International. No, that's 12. Or maybe not, my counting abilities have vanished from me. It something from a 6, 3. It appeared, it seemed, no. Levels were something. Have we done time? Yes. Times? Yeah. Oh yeah, the Times newspaper, I remember now. Ooh, here we have 1-I. So 3, 5 used to be made by 994 as 3, 3 period. I think that just might be a model number. I'm going to look for General Electric just for the hell of it. We have 3 generals made by General Electric. He wasn't a real general, you know. Were something 8 about thing by 4, 5 in thing. It was 5, the 2, 4 made by General Electric were 8, 1-9, and 6 of 9 levels. Okay, it was 5, 5 that 2, 4 from 313 were 4. Okay, this is, we're 15 to be 7 before a US congressional, maybe? How many letters in congressional? Ooh, congressional inquiry, hearing, delegation. So this is interesting. Underneath a 2, 3, discovered that most of the 9 was 8, 9. So why was there a US congressional something or other? Was there fraud? Was, oh, by 2 New York? Until the end of the 19 somethings, 5, 4 was a 8 by 2 New York congressman. Yes, that would have 6, 2, 3, 13 to go into 5 to 4, 3 of the 6s of the somethings, 2, 7, 5, 4 and 2, 7, 9, 7 in them. So is that in the US? Yeah. It was 5, 5. Excuse me. It was 5-5, the 2-4 from 3-13. Have I done caused? This caused 10, 8, 15 to be brought caused 10, 8, 15 to be brought before U.S. Congressional something or other, which began, oh, okay. And then what's this decade until the end of the, well, let's try the 1980s. We do have 3 of those, 1970s, 1960s, okay. Discover that most of the 9 was 8, 9. Very tricky. Let's look at our 1970s. The 6-5 in the 7 of 4 may 7, 2, 2, so some percentage range of 4, 5. The 4 may 7. Okay, and the something may do something else. Depending on its size. 2, 4, 4 of 4 and 5 up to 3 something. Began being used in some year. It's, oh no, began being used in, I don't think that's a year, in something. It's primary purpose or something in the 1970s. From the late to early. May something through the 5, 6, 8 that may not be the same. No, may not be the something. A new 6 to a new 6 and 4, 6 may consist of a something of 3, 6, 4 with the 9, 3 being made of a 6 8 4 5. Well, after yesterday, could this be, oh, not yesterday, it was 2 days ago, we had the alloy, yeah. And so let's remember our 6-letter metals. Nickel, okay. Lead, no. Iron, okay. Nickel, something iron alloy, 10, 2 to some percent of nickel and some percent of this 8-letter metal to make the something easy to for, maybe bind, glue, with a first 5, 3 made of 511 iron to 6 against something or any other something metal. 4 must be something. Is well known? No, is something known as an 4, which stands for 10 high 711. If it does something. Have I tried battery? Oops. No. Let's go back up to the top and see if anything has appeared magically. No, a 7-3 4. So it's some 3-letter acronym. Is a 6 4 10. Have I done containing? No, I hadn't. So that was the 10-letter word. So that's good to get that. So a 7-3 4 is a 6 4. So I presume those two 4-letter words are the same. Containing one or more 8 4, which 4, 8, 5 that are 11 to 7 6 on a 14 6. Good Lord. The 6 may 9, 10, 9, also known as 12, 8, 10, 3, 8, 7, 5, 7 are other 9. A 3 on a 10, 3 is commonly called a 7, 4. 4 have something have also been used as 6, 7, in which case the 6 is not 8 to be 7 to an 8. When it was used, so the 4, 7, 3 was used to 8, 8, 5 when they were first discovered, before it was understood, maybe, that 4 was 7 from the 7 was a 4 of 9. I'm not understanding that sentence. Was a type of, was a part of, was a form of, no, was a 4 of 9. In 3, 10, 4 and 8, 8. In 5, 7, and 5 is produced by 11, the 9 of 4, 1 for each, 8, 7, 5, 3, 5, and 4 with a something as a 9. As a connector, no, we do have 2 connectors. The 4, maybe 9, 5 a connector. The 5 in which the 10, 5 of the 4, blah, 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 blah. Oh, we do have glue. Did I see that? Not negative and positive connector between the something and the neutral. No. usually made up of 5, 5, 6, 9, 5. Is a very high quality. Yes. A little surprised by that. So I've guessed 214 words. It's getting up for an hour. Yeah, I don't feel like I'm getting any closer. Most of the weight of a 3 comes from the something, something, something. Maybe used to reduce. Okay, so there's some way you can maybe using carbon fiber or the weight of the 3, 5. What is that 8-letter? Aluminum in the American spelling? No, we do have 22 though. With a 5 aluminum or 7 something, okay. So maybe precious metals. No? How about platinum is another 8-letter. No platinum. Gold. No gold. Silver. 1 silver. Oh, rare earth, maybe materials. We do have 4 materials. Ooh, this looks like a company name. And then something electric 5. That looks like another company. Oh, I wonder if one of those 3-letter abbreviations is Inc. Yes. Something Inc. and yeah, I'm just not getting this at all. I mean, maybe I should just be thinking of 3-letter acronyms that we might see. Then it's a 6, 4. Well, let's try LED. Oh, there are 4. Well, okay. Something layer and 4-LED 4. Okay. And then in our references, and then that led to the something in some year made the first something to so many blanks of blank, which was one of the 7. No. The something known 11. There. And have I done there? No. There was a 5 from 8-4 to 11-4. Were made in 4 by 10. Where were they made? Oh my goodness. Where did I leave off with my decades? 1960s. Let's do 1950s and 1940s, 1930s. Okay, the 1930s. 516. Made the first something. Units. Oh, we did units. Which was one of the something patents. Oh. Something patents. Let's look for some sort of generic machine creation thing, object. Excuse me. I'm just not getting this. Maybe the something who. We do have one who. Who 434 to the 475. There's that 7 electric. And 6 a 10-7. Since the 5 now only 11 the 9-7 by the something something. Very high 7. Anything to do with amps? No. Plug. I'm just plugging away here. Getting the problem now of getting something out by the 6-4. Inside and 4 at 6 degrees Fahrenheit, centigrade, in a 7 called 6 are something dash out. A burnout? No. A process called something are dash out. The 10 process also something any material. Side the 3. Well, I think what I'm going to do here is take a break to get some food, and then I'll resume just guessing words pretty much at random. I may not record all of that, so when I come back, I may be showing you my final total and how many words it took me. So stand by. Thank you. All right, I am back. So after eating, I thought, oh, I haven't tried heat. And I found the section where it said hire something of X. Well, it said something and heat, and it was a single character dash. And so I started going through the alphabet, and then I realized, oh, X-rays. So now that I have rays, it then occurred to me that this 3-letter word could be ray, and once I thought of that, we all used to have these. Some of us still have them hanging around somewhere, taking up room, very hard to get rid of, and that is cathode ray tube. So disappointing that it took me so long, 253, and almost 2 hours. Of course, that does include a break for something to eat. But there we go. What was the thing about the U.S. congressional hearings, I wonder? RCA, Telefunken. One of our first televisions was a Telefunken. The demise, excuse me. Okay. It was concerns about radiation from TVs. Committee, of course, was the 9-letter word. Anyway, that is Redactle. Thanks as always for watching, and have a great day.